Okay, this is everything I cut. Here on the other side. Nice cut. I kept it kind of high and flush, even though I cut a lot. But I always like my lawn feeling like a carpet. Okay. Not that low side brownish. This side down the hill. Let's see how much battery we got left. I, miss some little spots, but this is learning stuff. Let's see how much battery we got left. We only use one of the two batteries. As you can see, one battery is still full. This one got 2 bars left. Okay. Again, see Ryobi, the Ryobi 40 volts cross cut. It did good first use.